Very much appreciate you coming to our south of the river and hearing the message. I'm going to wear a couple hats this evening myself, and I want to thank the fellow mayors that have stood up here. As the mayor of Apple Valley, we have prepared for this time, and it's been difficult. I want to take you back historically, 2003, where the cuts were made, and we in the cities reduced staff, we reduced our reserves, and we began to collaborate. We did what was necessary to become a solution for a better, stronger Minnesota. Now in 2009, in 2008, we were, through the governor's unallotment, cities, and I'm going to put my hat on as the president of the League of Minnesota Cities, have lost $66 million. It could have been worse, but because you allowed us to be at the table, it wasn't as bad. It still hurts because our level is low for our employees. Now, as we move to the 10 and 11 biennium, we are going to be challenged even deeper. This will cut to the bone. I urge you to allow us to remember that this partnership between the state of Minnesota and the local cities and counties and school boards, because we all function together, that we are at the table making the choices, the solutions with you. It is critically important for our security of the state of Minnesota, for our economic security, and for the health of our communities. Thank you.